All right, good morning, everyone. I'm just arriving at the office, and what I'm doing here first, I am gonna burn that sage. People say, "Wow, it's like a demon's cleanse or exorcism." No, what's happening with the sage? I'm just start using this in my practice because I read this in some old book. So I'm still reading book and some information up there. So the sage, it's a smell. That smell, whatever you smell it, it's trust. It's relaxing. It's relaxing. So more clients is more get trust in you, and also cleans the area. That fresh air, like I just did. Let's do it again. I'm gonna burn this. Let me put this in burn. So the thing is, yes, it's a very nice smell, and people come and it's like, oh, it smells fresh in here. So I always pay attention what people say because I use those candles, and it wasn't people like say smells good, but I see it's not that good result as a sage, and it's cheaper. Not a cheaper, I don't say it's $5 for the sage. If you buy packages, you it's like $2, 250. So here we go. I'm just burning, and I'm gonna put that. Here we go. You can see the smoke is coming, and I just go around the room, put some in the corners, and it's good for the kids' room. Use this in the kids' room when they're not in the room. So they, whatever they left to school, you just do some sage around, and it should be good. It's also related to the energy. So calm down. If you're stressed, you need to calm down. You need to take your nerve system down with the breath, with the smells, with the good music, with the good food. All right, so burn sage.